Now, I shall discuss the construction of diagonal scale. So, this is one type of linear scale or graphical scale. There are different forms of graphical scale: simple linear scale, comparative scale, diagonal scale, and Vernier scale. Among these, diagonal scale is very important for accurate measurement. For accuracy, the simple linear scale is again constructed diagonally by diagonal scale and more accurately by Vernier scale. Now, the diagonal scale. What is diagonal scale? In diagonal scale, beside the primary and secondary division, there is one more division that is called secondary division. Okay? So, in diagonal scale, there are three divisions: primary division, secondary division, and tertiary division. So, first the primary division. There will be primary division, and that primary division will be divided in secondary divisions, and the secondary divisions will be divided in tertiary divisions. Why tertiary divisions? To measure the map distance more accurately, there is one more addition that is called tertiary division. Okay? So primary, secondary, tertiary. Here one problem is given: draw a diagonal scale to show 3 yard, 2 feet 3 inches. What is yard? Actually, this is the British system measurement, the British system of unit 3 yard. Yard means 3 feet is equal to 1 yard, or 36 inch is equal to 1 yard. 2 feet means 12 inch is equal to 1 feet, and 3 inch, that is 1 inch is equal to 2.5 per centimeter. Okay, so 3 yard, 2 feet, 3 inch. That must to be shown by diagonal scale. Okay, or a diagonal scale to be composed for 3 yard, 2 feet, and 3 inch. So there are two types of divisions. One is readings to be shown, another is readings to be drawn. So always some more drawing to be done, or more drawing is needed to show the value. Okay, to show this value. Not less than 3 or 2 feet 3 inches. More than that, we have to draw. But we have to show 3 yard, 2 feet, and 3 inch. First is primary division. First is readings to be shown. Shown means 3 yard plus 2 feet. Why I am writing like that, plus 3 inches? Because that much is for primary division, for secondary division 2 feet, and for tertiary division 3 inch. So first, primary division. Primary division value. Value means value of 1 unit. If I take 1 yard, then definitely there will be 3 numbers of primary division. One part or one division, if one division of primary division, if one primary division is 1 yard, definitely there will be 3 primary divisions. There is needed 3 primary divisions for 3 yard. So this is 3 yard. Nothing but value into number. 1 yard into 3 is equal to 3 yard. And then for secondary, 2 feet. If I take 1 feet, then there will be 2 numbers for 2 feet. And then 3 inch. If I take 1 inch, so there will be one number, 3 inch. Okay? So, during the composition of value, or taking value of primary, secondary, and tertiary, one should take precautions, because value of 1 yard is more than value of secondary divisions yard and more than tertiary. But the value of tertiary division at least to be doubled in secondary division, and value of 1 secondary division at least to be doubled in primary division. That means primary to secondary, the value will be minimum half or less than that, and this is again half than the secondary divisions. Okay, 1 yard, that means in 1 yard there are 3 feet, so it is 1/3. That secondary value of secondary division is 1/3 of the primary division, and that 1 inch, and here it is 1 feet, that means 12 inch, and that 1 inch, 1 is 12 inch is divided by 1, it is okay. So then readings to be drawn. Okay, number of primary division. Always number of primary division at least one more than the primary divisions shown. That means here primary division is 3 yard, or number of primary division is 3, so it is 3. 3 plus 1. Why 1? At least one more primary division is needed. Already I have mentioned that for the purpose of drawing, some more length is needed than the amount which to be shown, 3 yard, 2 feet, 3 inch. More amount is to be drawn. Number of primary division must be one more. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, but for the number of secondary and tertiary division, that will be depend on that formula. How? Number of secondary division. Here is no question of one more, one addition like that. The formula is simple: value of one primary division by value of one secondary division. Here value of one primary division is 1 yard. So 1 yard by value of one secondary division is 1 feet. Definitely 1 yard means 3 feet by 1 feet. It will be 3. And number of primary division, number of tertiary division, value of one secondary division again, that means 1 feet by 1 inch. 1 inch. 1 feet means 12 inch by 1 inch is equal to 12. Okay. So total number of primary division is 4. Total number of secondary division is 3. Total number of tertiary division is 12. Here all are total. So we have to draw this much. We have to draw 4 number of primary division, 3 number of secondary division, and 12 number of tertiary division. But we have to show 3 number of primary division, 2 number of secondary division, and only 1 number of it will be 3, only 3 number of tertiary division. Okay. Now we have to draw. Here the RF is 1:36. That means 1 inch on ground, on map is represented by represents 36 inch, or 36 inch is represented by 1 inch. Then 1 inch is represented by 1 by 36 inch. Then how much? Total division was 4. So 4 means 4 yard is represented by 1 into 4. That here is 4 yards, so definitely yard to be converted to inch. If we multiplied by 36, it will be 4 into 36, because 1 yard is equal to 36 inch. So it is 4 inch. Clear? So total 4 inch to be drawn. So total is 4. So by taking a scale, we have to take 4 inch. Say this is 4 inch. 4 many numbers of primary divisions are there? There are total 4 primary divisions. So we can draw primary divisions by this way. One, two, three, 4. By taking set square, we can draw like that. The end point, both the end points to be added, and by it must be taken by set square, not by scale, like me. I am drawing arbitrarily. Again, some thickness is needed. Okay, add this. So primary division is done, then we need secondary division. Okay, how? How many secondary divisions are there? In drawing section there were 3 secondary divisions. Okay, so 3 secondary divisions. This is to be divided with 3 parts. 2, 3. By taking set square. Okay, this is here take the points. Okay, but during addition, as it is a diagonal scale, and that diagonal property is actually maintained in drawing secondary division, so that diagonally is to be added. Okay, diagonal. Now there will be tertiary division. How many tertiary divisions are there? There are 12 tertiary divisions. By taking suitable value, we have to divide it in 12 divisions. Okay, draw this by scale up, of course. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of course, the divisions should be equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Last one is 12. So now level this. This one is 0. Here it is 1, 2 and 3 yard. Okay, primary division. Secondary division here. This one is 0, 1, 2, 3. That was in feet. And tertiary division. These are the tertiary divisions. 0, it is 1. I am writing here. 2, 1 after another. 4, 6, 8, 10, and last one is 12. Okay. Now I have to show 3 yard, 2 feet and 3 inches. So for showing in the first table of the calculation that was mentioned the number of divisions. 3 primary divisions is to be shown. So 3 primary division starting from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So 1 division, 2 division, 3 division. From right to left, 3 divisions. And secondary, that was 2. 1, 2. So after taking the primary divisions 1, 2 and 3, then take secondary divisions. Second division 1, 2. Okay? Number of division, not the amount. 1, 2, 3 primary division, secondary division 1 and 2. And how much tertiary divisions there? 3 primary divisions required to show. So from here, after coming here from primary and secondary calculation, then 1, 2, 3. Okay? So this much is the required length of secondary division. Sorry, total length. So 3 here. Here we should use arrow, or you can make separate color to show this line from here to here. 3 here, 2 feet and 3 inches. Okay, so this is about the construction and drawing of diagonal scale. These lines you should take these lines by taking suitable measurement and drawing with scale. Okay, thank you. Hope you all understand.